fellow trainers. Marsha Letter here with a quick tip to manage classroom time. Let's face it, there are so many unknowns when it comes to timing. Will I have to rush through the material? Will I be able to present in the allotted time? Well, here are 3 tips to keep you organized. First, practice your delivery and your timing. At Langevin, we teach in 1-hour chunks with 5-minute breaks throughout the day. So when I'm teaching, I keep notes with a breakdown of what I need to say and where I need to be at each hour of content. Now, if I happen to fall behind in 1 hour, that's okay. I know I can make it up in the next hour. Secondly, give tight time limits for learner exercises and announce how much time is left to keep your groups on schedule. And finally, offer to arrive 30 minutes early or stay 30 minutes at the end of class. This way you can discuss topics in greater detail with your participants. With these tips, you will excel at time management and show your learners that you care about them and their learning. Peter Drucker once said, "Until we can manage time, we can manage nothing else." And that is my tip of the day.